Welcome to QuickGuides. Today you'll learn simple, beginner-friendly pantry organization hacks that instantly make your kitchen cleaner, faster to use, and stress-free. Start with a full reset. Pull everything out and sort items by type: snacks, grains, baking, canned goods. Toss expired products and combine duplicates. Add simple labels so anyone can find things instantly. Use clear containers so you always see what you have. Choose uniform sizes to keep shelves neat, and use color-coded lids for quick identification, especially if you have kids. Add tiered risers for cans and spices. Lazy Susans are perfect for sauces and oils. Shelf dividers keep tall items upright and prevent overcrowding. Make a snack bin for kids, a drink station for bottles and tea packets, and keep everyday items on the easiest-to-reach shelf to save time during busy mornings. Do a 2-minute weekly reset. Wipe crumbs, check what's running low, and rotate older items to the front so nothing goes to waste. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel QuickGuides to get quick and useful tips that will make your life easier and better.